Here's the app called Skylight Social. What is that? So this is TikTok-like client for Blue Sky. So to use this app, you can use it without an account, just to browse videos TikTok style, or you can use it with Blue Sky. I personally have Blue Sky account. So I just logged in with my Blue Sky to Skylight app, as you can see in here. Discover videos created by the real people. It's cool to use this Blue Sky account because then you automatically follow all the same people. And it's kind of the idea that this is a decentralized social media. It's based on AT protocol. So it's kind of some Web3 stuff, but the idea is that it's decentralized. It's more defensive against that someone can censor you. And if, for example, Skylight app is removed, you can always just log in with your account to another kind of just front-end client app as it is. So that's the idea. And then just open, and then you can see kind of, you can just swipe around just like that. And then you just see all the kind of content of like in TikTok. Like, comment, share. Then you can just search trending. You can add your photos. In here, so you can do that. Then there is notifications, and then there is your profile, and then you can edit. Basically, this is just like a client for Blue Sky app, just focused on videos. So yeah, that's the idea. And obviously these days everything focused around politics. So this is more app around on the left side of political spectrum, I guess. So this is not Rumble or stuff. So this is an opposite version. So that's what it is.